Today I am going to tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a little fairy who was very lovely and lived in the forest. The fairy was always happy and played with her friends. She flew quickly and spoke lovingly to everyone.
Grandma, why do all the verbs in your story end in ly?
Oh, good observation, Janvi. Those are adverbs that modify the verbs.
Can you give us some more examples?
Sure, Janvi. An adverb tells us when, where, and how an action is performed. For example, the old man walks slowly. Here, the adverb slowly is used for the verb walk. It tells us how the old man walks. We are playing cricket today. Here, the adverb today is used for the verb play. It tells us when are we playing cricket. Keep the books there. Here, the adverb there is used for the verb keep. It tells us where to keep the books. For example, quickly means in a fast manner, and lovingly means with love. The ly turns the adjective into an adverb that gives more detail about the verb.
So, when we say she ran quickly, quickly tells us how she ran?
Exactly. Quickly describes how she ran. And when we say lovingly, it describes how she spoke.
And Grandma, does happily means in a happy way?
Yes, Akshit, you got it right.
Wow, Grandma, adverbs are very interesting.
Yes, adverbs are very interesting. You both learnt very well.
Now we'll use adverbs in our own story.
I'm sure you'll write a wonderful story.